It's gonna be our first time going over the new bridge in the new truck. We're gonna check it out. The old bridge is still there, as you can tell. Look how smaller it is compared to the other bridge. Got it in cruise control with the car and assistant braking in front of us. So you can tell it's going down slower because the car is going slower. Oh, cool. We need to check those out. Go eat there. There we go. Let's go on the ride. As you can tell, the other bridge is ready. We're not even halfway, and the other bridge is ready. You can't even see it no more. Wow, it looks like we're going to the sky. Now, the other day, somebody tried to climb this and got stuck. They couldn't get down, so they had to go rescue him. Idiot. You can actually walk it. You can walk it. You want to walk it? No? Alright, I'm using still the cruise control. Look at it. Wow, man. Looks like you're going all the way to heaven. Woo! This is high. Look how high we are. See, I like this because I could turn and look if I want to and know that it's braking in front of me already. Look at that. You can't even see the other bridge at all. You can't see it at all. That's crazy. We're so high. You can't even see the Whataburger field yet. We're like super high. See, you can walk it right here. You can walk it. See it? Well, there it is. The new bridge. You start right here. I think over here is when it comes to the gate, but you start way down here. We are going to climb it. Look, somebody's climbing it. Somebody's climbing it. Oh, awesome. Let's go. You don't want to climb it today? Maybe after lunch we'll climb it. Work those calories off. Work those calories off. Might check it out. We'll see what's up. Well, there you go. That's a new bridge. Just wanted to give you a little look of the new truck going over the bridge. That's it.